Hello children, this is grade 4, block 8 and S2. Topic is animal body coverings, right? Presented by Kalin teacher, right? Open your readers page number 53. Just you read out from here, an animal to body keeps the body warm. Here till here you have to read and underline the hard words and write hard words in your reader, right? So it's a this one main paragraphs have there, just you read out. Now I'm explaining for you. See, when you see in the first one, many animals have fur or hair on their body. So why it will have this hair and fur on their body? This fur keeps their body warm, to keep their bodies warm, right? And some animals have thick fur, and this thick fur also keep in cold places they will live. So this thick fur also keeps the body warm for that animals, right? So now like bears have thick hair on their body. It keeps to keep their body warm. And when you see fish have wet scales, right? Which help them to swim. Here, which help them to swim, and also protect the fish from any injury or infection, right? Some animals have wet scales and some will have dry scales. So wet scales fish, so it will help them to swim in the water, and also it protects from an injury or infection. Next one, dry scales, like this one, lizards and crocodiles, they will have wet scales on their body. So how does it help? This prevent them from losing body water. Okay, now next one we will see about birds. When you see about the birds have the feathers that help them to fly and to protect them from predators, right? Next one, shells. When you see about the shells and all, here the shells, some animals have hard shells. Okay, so like tortoise, turtles, oysters have shells to protect them from predators. Some animals have, porcupines have spines. See, this is the animal which is having a this is the animal called porcupine. So this body is covered by long quills that look like a needles. Okay, so these are the porcupine's weapons. Okay, so the quills are very strong and the tips are extremely sharp, so piercing the flesh of any animal unfortunate enough to encounter them. Even lion also will get scared to attack this animal, right children? Now here one more thing I want to explain you. The colder the habitat, the more is the fur. Okay, so how can we identify the habitat of an animal by its body covering? How children? Here the same thing I am telling you. The colder the habitat, the more is the fur, right, on the bodies of the animals. So if the animal has more fur on the body, we can say that it lives in cold regions, right children? Now if an animal has wet scales, its habitat is water. So the type of body covering tells us about the habitat of an animal, right children? Now here the body coverings help to protect the animals and keep them warm. Thick fur helps to keep the body of an animal staying in cold regions like high mountains or polar regions warm, right children? So here scales protects the bodies of water animals from water, and shells acts as a home for some animals, right children? So now we will go with question answers. Turn to page number 56 and go to question answers. Question number 2 here. Which animals have thick fur as their body covering? How does it help them to survive in their habitat? So here animals living in polar regions have thick fur as their body covering. It protects them and keep their body warm, and they can survive in extreme winters due to the thick fur on their body. Next one, why do animals living in dry regions have dry scales on their body? So here the dry scales prevent their body from losing body water. Okay, they help the animals survive in their in the dry habitat. Okay, now we will go with the workbook children. See the workbook page number 45. Here the first one, see the pictures: crocodile, peacock, rabbit, snail. So here what type of body covering do you see in this one? Scales. So which other animals you have to write here? Reptiles, fish, like that you have to write. How does it help the animal to survive? So it prevents the water loss. Wet scales help to live in the water. Next one, peacock. Peacock is having, birds are having feathers. And another birds, you have to write the names of the birds. So how does this feathers help? It keeps the body warm and it helps to fly. Next one, rabbit. It is having fur, and other animals also you have to write. So it protects their body, it protects and keep their body warm, right? Now coming to the snail. Snail, it is have other animals, tortoise, oysters have shells. Okay, shell you have to write. So shell you have to write over here. So it protects them from predators to survive in the water. Next one, what type of body covering do fish have? Fish have wet scales on their body, you have to write. Next one, how is the body covering and adaptations that help the fish to survive in their habitat? So when you go with this question, question number B, so you have to write that the wet scales of fish protect their body in the water. The wet scales also make their body slippery. This helps them to swim as it reduces friction between the water and their body. Right, children? So do the given work neatly and correctly. Thank you.